In rail, we work in some of the harshest environments. We attend a variety of emergency works within the transporting system. My department works 24/7, 365 days a year to keep the railway safe. Challenging to say the least. There's a whole host of variety of works, but it's always cumbersome, very heavy, in a very hard terrain. We require robust people and tooling. The environment's tough enough without us bringing hazards with us, so battery plant and battery tooling for us all the way. The battery that marries up with our lighting, it's a fantastic piece of kit. We attend emergencies, a whole host of emergencies, and a lot of the jobs that we do we only get one shot at, so we need the best equipment with us at all times. The Milwaukee solutions that we use on site are a great companion for our teams.